students, now in this video we are going to discuss about 12th standard computer science chapter 9 list, tuples, sets and dictionary. In the last class we discussed about what is meant by list, how to create a list by using range function. Now in this class we are going to discuss about important list functions. What are the built-in list functions used? Okay, so the first function name is copy. This function is used to take the duplicate copy of that original data. That is, if you want to if you are taking the xerox copy of the paper, no, like that, if you want to take same list in one more copy, then we can use the function copy. So this function is used to return the copy of the list. The general syntax for copy function is list dot copy within empty parenthesis. Okay, here list is name of the variable. Okay, so here list is the name of the variable. List dot, that is name of the list variable. List dot copy, copy is the built-in function name, and then we put empty parenthesis. Now you can see the example. My list is equal to, within square bracket I have to specify the list element. We already know the square bracket is used to specify the list item. So here the list name is my list. My list is equal to, within square bracket, 12 comma 12 comma 36. These are the three elements, 12 12 36. Okay, now we are going to make one more list by using this list. Okay, so x equal to my list dot copy. Now the content of my list will be assigned to the variable x. So x is also having the same list content, print of x. Now you can see the output. We know print test function is used to display the content on the monitor. Okay, so print of x. Now you can see what is the content is stored in the variable x. 12 comma 12 comma 36 within square bracket. So here we are creating the one more copy of the list. The list name is x. Okay, so the next function is count. This function is used to return the number of similar elements present in the list. Okay, so in your book the word last is given. This is not last, list. Okay, so returns the number of similar elements present in the list. How many elements are repeated? If you want to count, then we use the function count. Okay, the general syntax for count function is list dot count within bracket value, which value you want to count. Okay, so here is also list is the name of the list variable. Now you can see the example. My list is equal to 36 comma 12 comma 12. That is, there are three elements are present. X equal to my list dot count of 12. Now we are going to count how many times the 12 will be repeated in the list. Okay, the element 12 how many times repeated in the list. For that we are using the function count. So x equal to my list dot count of 12. So print of x. Now you can see the output. How many times the 12 is repeated in this list? 2 times. No, now you can see the output. Output is also displayed 2. Okay, the element 12 will 12 is present in the list 2 times. So the count of this value 12 is also show the output 2. Okay, now you can see the next function, that is index function. Index function is used to return the index value of the first recurring element. So we already know what is mean by index. The index it starts from the 0. Okay, the positive index starts from the 0. That is subscript value of the list is also known as the index value. So the index function is returns the first recurring element, that is the first appearance of the element where it can be appear. The general syntax for index function is list dot index of element. Here also list is the name of the list variable. Now you can see the example. My list is equal to, within square bracket, 36 comma 12 comma 12. The same list. Again we are taking the example. Okay, now we are going to find the index value for the element 12. So x equal to my list dot index of 12. Where the 12 is present, there are two places the same element is present, no, in index 1 and index 2. So both the index the same value 12 is present. Now you can see the output print x. What is the output? It shows an output 1 because the first occurring of the element will be displayed. Whereas the 12 is first appear, it appear in the first location is 36 in the index 0, 12 in the index 1, and one more 12 is index 2. So the first occurrence of the element 12 is present in the index 1. So it show the output 1. Okay. And then next we see about reverse function. This reverse function is used to reverse the list elements. Okay. That is reverse the order of the element in the list. The general syntax for reverse is listed out reverse of empty parenthesis. Now you can see the example. My list equal to 36, 23, 12. Now you want to reverse this element. That is reverse means the first last element is present in the first and then next like that. Okay. So my list dot reverse. Print my list. So now you can see the output. What is the input? 36, 23, 12. Now you can see the output 12, 23, 36. That is the elements are reversed. So the elements are arranged in the descending order. Okay, that is reverse order. Now you can see the sort function. Next function is sort function. This function is used to arrange the elements in either ascending or descending order. If you want to arrange the elements in ascending or descending order, then we can use a sort function. In this function, there are two parameters are used. Okay, now you can see the syntax. List dot sort of reverse is equal to true or false, comma key equal to my function. So the sort function is having two parameters. One is reverse parameter, another one is key parameters. Both these functions are optional one. If you want to specify, you can give these parameters, otherwise you just omit this one. So when you want to arrange the elements in descending order, then you just set reverse equal to true. By default, the elements are arranged in the ascending order. Okay, if you are giving only list dot sort alone, then the elements are arranged in ascending order. If you want to arrange the elements in descending order, then we just set list dot sort within bracket reverse equal to true. If you want to arrange elements in some specific order you specified, then you just write separate function and you just call that function by using the option key equal to my function. Here my function is the name of the function name. Okay, if you want to arrange the element in some specific order that you specify in the function, then we call into this function. Okay, so by using the function name. So this two parameters, that is reverse and key parameters, are optional only. If you want to give, you just include to this sort function. Okay, now you can see the example. My list, and then sort function will also affect the original list. Okay, it is affect the original list. If you are changing the element present in the list, the changes can occur in the original list also, can affected in the original list also. Now you can see the example for better understanding. My list is equal to Tilotama, Dharani, Anita, Saistri, Lavanya. We already know why the codes are given here. Each and every name is enclosed by codes, no? The values are enclosed by quotes means that is the string data. Okay, here Tilotama, Dharani, Anita, Saistri, Lavanya. So these elements are the string data. That's why we are using the single quotes to specify the elements, that is values. Okay. So and then my list dot sort. Here it didn't specify any parameters. Okay, we just use the function sort alone. Then all the elements are arranged in the ascending order. Okay, and then see print my list. So the first time it show the output, the elements are in the ascending order, and then again we are going to changing the order of the element. For that we are using my list dot sort of reverse equal to true. So when the parameter reverse equal to true means then the elements are arranged in the descending order. Okay, again we are going to print the value of my list, print of my list. Now you can see the output. The first output, that is the elements are arranged in the ascending order because we are using my list dot sort alone. So Anita, Lavanya, Saistri, Dharani, Tilotama, the names are listed in ascending order. And then see the second output, that is Tilotama, Dharani, Saistri, Lavanya, Anita. So these elements are displayed in the descending order because we are using the parameter reverse equal to true. If the parameter reverse equal to true means the elements are arranged in descending order. Okay, is it clear? Okay, now we move for the next function, max. This max function is used to returns the maximum value in a list. So which one has a maximum value? From the list of elements, you have to find which one has a maximum, that is largest value present in the list. For that we are using the function max. The general syntax for max function is max within bracket, you have to specify the list name. Now you can see the example, my list is equal to 21, 76, 98, 23. So totally 4 elements are present in this list. Now we are going to find the maximum element present in this list by using the max function. So we are using the print statement, print max of my list. Here why we need a print function? We just show the output on the monitor. For that we are using the print function. And then max function is used to find the maximum value present in the list. So max of my list. So from this, which one is the maximum value? 98. So we see the output. The output is also shown, the maximum element is 98. Okay, and then the next function is min. Min is also the built-in function. It used to returns the minimum value in a list. Okay, so the general syntax for min is min of list. So now you can see the example, my list is equal to 21, 76, 96, 23. Now you can see which one is the minimum number from this list. Here 21 is the minimum number. Okay, so print within bracket min of my list. So it show the output 21 because 21 is the minimum number. Okay, and the next function is sum, returns the sum of values in the list. So this function is going to add all the element present in the list and show the total value as a result. Okay, now you can see the general syntax, sum of list. Okay, so what is the general syntax? Sum within bracket list. So now you can see the example, my list is equal to 21, 76, 98, 23. So totally this list is having 4 elements. Now we are going to add all this element and show the output. For that the user can use the statement print within brackets sum within bracket my list and then close brackets. Okay, so the output is which one is the which is the sum value for this element 218. So this is the output. This output can be displayed on the monitor. Okay, that's all about list functions. Important list functions in Python programming language. Okay, so in the next class we discuss about the next topic. Thank you, students.